Hey, I'm Brian Van, sportbiketracker.com. Today we're going to break down the all-new Cortech Apex RR full gauntlet glove. The Apex RR glove is $109.99 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand, we don't update any of the videos for price changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. Let's dive into sizing first. I normally wear a 2X in most common gloves. That is what I have on right now in the Apex, and it fits as I would expect. So I would say they run true to size. This is a full gauntlet goat skin leather glove. Who is this right for? This is right for a sport rider that's looking to do some street riding, wants to have a good measure of protection, the kind of protection you can only get from a full gauntlet glove, or even a track day rider who is looking for a quality piece without breaking the bank. The reason I give it the nod for the track is it does have a palm slider, and I feel like that's just a critical feature. You just have to have that on the racetrack. Why is that there? That is there because most of us, when we fall, we're instinctively going to put our hands out. You put your hands out and you have a standard leather palm. What can happen is the leather can grab the pavement. It can kind of pull the seams of the glove apart. It can wear through quickly, right? Or it can transmit a bunch of energy into your wrist, your shoulder, create a tumble. This just kind of slides. It helps initiate a slide. It's hard to wear through, so it's just a little feature that's been added several years ago now to many of the track-worthy gloves. Looking further at the glove, you can see once again full goat leather construction. We've got some motion panels here on the control fingers, additional protectors there for the fingers. We've got a roll over of second layer of the goat skin there. There are some little protectors underneath to help fortify the pinky area. This whole spot, that is the real abrasion zone right there, right? It's very common in crashes to have damage to a glove in that area. Got a carbon knuckle protector. It's got a little flexibility to it. There is some memory foam behind it. Perforated goat skin leather panel here. Plenty of dexterity in the wrist area. We've got a little TPR protector here for the end of the ulna. That's not a super formidable protector, but it is definitely there. Overlay here in the palm. This is where you're going to touch the bars. That's just going to help the gloves last longer. Got a little overlay here on the index finger as well as the thumb. Safety strap. Adjuster up here at the top of the gauntlet. Nice little TPR detail there. All in all, what do I think? I think at $109, this is a solid option for a sport rider looking for an affordable full gauntlet glove.